This is the cargo carrier for the bowhead. Fits on a truck and has a ramp entry. We want to create the framework for this truck, so I'm going to hide away the liner. Alex will be talking about that later. I'm going to jump into a part and we're going to start creating that framework. So I'm going to start structure systems, create a primary member, and I'm going to select my profile, and this selects just the same as weldments. Mine's already selected because I've done this demo before. I'm then going to select these two surface bodies and unselect the top back edge so there's space for the ramp. Having generated the primary member, I'm going to create some secondary members. Again, select my profile, use the Q key to show planes and select them. Then I start selecting member pairs in order to generate the secondary members. Once that's done, I can select individual members that I don't want and just use the delete key to remove them. Then we hit exit structure systems and we move straight into corner management, which is a feature new for 2024. Select a plane, and just underneath we can see two trim options, which again are new in 2024, which allow me to account for different shaped pipes. We can see our standard corner group, and we can add a two-member corner group. Now I can select an individual corner and I can zoom to that selection. Now here we can see the different trim types, and open corner is new this year in 2024. I'm going to add a distance so we can just see all of those different corner types, and then we'll reset that to 0. We also have complex corners as well if we need them. And then I could mirror these features in order to create the full set of structural members. A new feature in 2024 is if I come into the cut list properties and unlink my length, what I can do is I can add units to the end of this. And this is just chosen as units for length, and it's picking millimeters because those are my current units. I can do exactly the same in my custom properties. And you can hear I'm going to do it for weight and add on my units for mass. And currently I have grams. If I come down to the bottom corner, I can change the unit structure for my part, and then you can see this is automatically changed to kilograms for me. We'll come back to the main model and re-show that liner.